I used to think daily hygiene was simply showering, brushing my teeth, and washing my hands. But recently, I realized that there is one part of the body that most people, including my past self, often neglect. And this can have a significant impact on long-term health. According to a study, up to 87% of Americans either clean this body part incorrectly or don't clean it at all. As a result, bacteria and dirt accumulate over time, leading to many issues that many wouldn't expect. At first, I didn't think it was that important until I learned about the potential consequences. This truly surprised me and even made me a bit concerned because it directly affects our health, longevity, and overall quality of life. I'm sure you don't want to make the same mistake I did. So, what is this body part, and how can we clean it properly to better protect our health? I'll share everything in this video. But before we dive into the details, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any valuable information. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like and share it so more people can become aware of this important issue. Let's discover which body part is often overlooked in our daily hygiene routine. 1. Navel, a commonly overlooked body part with hidden risks. Despite its small size, the navel is one of the most frequently neglected areas when it comes to personal hygiene. Few people realize that this area can accumulate more dirt, excess oil, and bacteria than expected. According to some studies, the navel can harbor dozens of different types of bacteria, some of which thrive in warm, dark environments. If not cleaned regularly, this area can become a breeding ground for bacteria, increasing the risk of infections, irritation, and unpleasant odors. Many believe that daily showering is enough to keep the navel clean. However, in reality, especially for those with a deep-set navel, this area has multiple folds where dirt and bacteria can easily accumulate, making it difficult for regular bath water to wash everything away. If not cleaned periodically, the navel can become itchy, irritated, or even develop more serious conditions such as folliculitis or bacterial infections caused by excessive bacterial growth. Proper hygiene is essential to keep your navel clean and prevent skin problems. The simplest method is to use a clean cloth dampened with warm water to gently wipe the area. A cotton swab dipped in saline solution can help remove trapped dirt and bacteria for a deeper cleanse, especially for those with a deep-set navel. Applying a mild antiseptic solution can help eliminate bacteria without damaging the skin if you notice an unpleasant odor or signs of irritation. However, avoiding scrubbing too harshly is important, as the skin around the navel is quite sensitive. Additionally, after cleaning, always ensure the navel is completely dry to prevent moisture buildup, creating an ideal environment for bacteria to grow. By incorporating this small yet important habit into your routine, you can keep your body clean and avoid unnecessary health issues. Paying attention to even the smallest details of your body can bring long-term benefits, helping you feel more confident and comfortable daily. 2. Armpits, an important but often overlooked area. The armpits are one of the most active areas of the body, housing numerous sweat glands and lymph nodes. They play a crucial role in regulating body temperature and sweating and contribute to the body's detoxification process through the lymphatic system, helping to boost immunity and protect us from harmful bacteria and viruses. However, if not properly cared for, this area can become a hotspot for bacterial growth, leading to body odor, infections, clogged pores, skin irritation, and even lymph node health. A common mistake many people make is rinsing their armpits during a shower without deep cleansing. This habit allows dirt, dead skin cells, excess oil, and residue from deodorant products to accumulate over time, creating an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive. This is especially concerning for those who frequently shave or pluck their underarm hair, as the skin in this area becomes more vulnerable to damage, increasing the risk of folliculitis, irritation, red bumps, or even swollen lymph nodes. Additionally, applying deodorant while the skin is still damp can unintentionally clog pores, reducing the product's effectiveness and potentially causing unwanted skin reactions. Choosing the right cleansing products is essential for keeping your armpits clean and healthy. Instead of using harsh soaps that contain strong detergents, alcohol, or artificial fragrances, which can dry out and irritate the skin, you should opt for mild body washes or soaps enriched with moisturizing ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, or activated charcoal. These ingredients help remove dirt and bacteria, soothe the skin, and reduce the risk of irritation after shaving or plucking. Apart from selecting the right products, proper cleansing techniques are also important. Scrubbing too harshly can damage the skin, cause irritation, or even create small abrasions that make it easier for bacteria to enter. Instead, use your hands or a soft cloth, gently massaging in circular motions to cleanse the area without harming the skin. After showering, make sure your armpits are completely dry before applying any skincare products to prevent a damp environment, an ideal condition for bacterial growth. Maintaining a proper underarm care routine can control body odor more effectively and protect your skin from infections and irritation. Clean, healthy armpits will help you feel more confident and comfortable in your daily activities. 3. Feet, an important but often neglected body part. Our feet serve as the foundation of our body, allowing us to move and maintain balance every day. Unfortunately, they are one of the most overlooked areas in daily hygiene routines. Many assume that simply letting water run over their feet while showering is sufficient. Still, improper foot care can lead to serious issues such as infections, fungal conditions, poor circulation, and even long-term mobility problems. Feet are not just for walking. They are a complex system comprising 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, ligaments, and tendons, all working together to support the body's weight. When feet are not properly cared for, it's not just the feet themselves that suffer. The entire body can be affected. One common issue is poor blood circulation, especially in older adults. These could be signs of impaired circulation if you've ever experienced swollen feet, cold toes, or unexplained skin discoloration. For individuals with diabetes, foot care is even more critical, as even a small wound can lead to severe infections if not detected and treated in time. Proper foot hygiene and regular monitoring can help prevent complications and ensure long-term health and mobility. So, how can you take proper care of your feet? First, wash your feet daily with warm water and mild soap, making sure to clean the tops, soles, and especially the spaces between your toes, where bacteria and fungi thrive the most. After washing, dry your feet thoroughly, just as you would dry dishes, leaving no moisture behind. A damp environment creates the perfect breeding ground for bacteria and fungi. If your feet tend to dry, applying a moisturizer can help keep the skin soft and healthy. However, avoid applying lotion between the toes, as excess moisture in these areas can promote fungal growth. With a few simple adjustments to your personal care routine, you can keep your feet healthy, reduce the risk of infections, and maintain mobility over time. Remember, your feet are not just a means of transportation. They are the solid foundation that supports your entire body. 4. Tongue, the overlooked organ that greatly impacts health. Let's start with a surprising fact. One of the most crucial organs for overall health is often neglected in daily hygiene routines. That organ is the tongue, constantly present in the mouth yet frequently overlooked for proper cleaning. Most people assume that brushing teeth and using dental floss is enough to maintain oral hygiene. However, the bacteria on the tongue can impact breath freshness, heart health, and the immune system. The tongue harbors over 700 types of bacteria, including beneficial bacteria that aid digestion and harmful bacteria responsible for issues such as bad breath cavities, gum disease, and even systemic infections. The tongue accumulates bacteria, food debris, and dead cells throughout the day, forming a thin layer on its surface. If left uncleaned, this buildup causes persistent bad breath and provides a pathway for bacteria to enter the bloodstream, potentially affecting the heart, lungs, and immune system. Some studies have even suggested that oral bacteria can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases, particularly in older adults or those with weakened immune systems. Tongue hygiene is a crucial, yet often underestimated aspect of overall health maintenance. Fortunately, keeping your tongue clean is simple and highly beneficial. Each morning, before eating breakfast, take a few seconds to clean your tongue using a tongue scraper or a toothbrush. Stand in front of a mirror, gently stick out your tongue, and scrape about 3 to 4 times from back to front. Think of this like wiping a tabletop. You must thoroughly remove residue, but avoid pressing too hard to prevent irritation. Afterward, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water or an antibacterial mouthwash to eliminate any remaining bacteria. If you have a gag reflex while cleaning your tongue, start from the middle and gradually work further back as you get accustomed to the sensation. Additionally, if you notice pain, discoloration, or a thick white coating on your tongue, it's best to consult a doctor to rule out any underlying health conditions. Small yet consistent habits can make a big difference in your long-term health. So, don't neglect your tongue. Spend a few seconds each day caring for it properly. 5. Nose. The body's natural filter that's often overlooked. The nose is essential for breathing and serves as a natural filter, protecting the body from harmful airborne particles. The nose's nasal hairs and mucous membrane act as a biological barrier, trapping dust, bacteria, pollen, mold, and other pollutants before they can enter the lungs. Additionally, the mucus in the nose plays a crucial role in capturing bacteria and viruses, preventing them from harming the respiratory system. The nose is exposed daily to millions of microscopic dust particles and countless environmental irritants, especially in areas with high air pollution or during sudden weather changes. If not cleaned properly, debris can accumulate in the nasal passages, leading to blocked airways, congestion, frequent sneezing, and even more serious conditions like sinus infections, allergic rhinitis, and respiratory infections. People with sensitive respiratory systems or pre-existing conditions such as asthma are particularly vulnerable to nasal blockages caused by dust and bacteria. This makes proper nasal hygiene essential for overall respiratory health. Proper nasal hygiene is essential for protecting the respiratory system. Rinsing the nose with saline solution or a specialized nasal wash helps remove dirt, mucus, and irritants while soothing the nasal lining, reducing the risk of infections and inflammation. Additionally, maintaining a clean living environment, avoiding exposure to smoke and chemicals, and wearing a mask outdoors are effective ways to minimize the number of harmful particles entering the nasal passages. Regular nasal cleaning keeps the airways clear and plays a vital role in protecting the respiratory system from bacteria and viruses. A healthy nose allows for easier breathing, greater comfort, and improved overall well-being. Many people focus on oral hygiene and facial cleansing, but neglect nasal care. However, when nasal passages become clogged with dirt or mucus, breathing becomes more difficult, preventing the body from receiving adequate oxygen. This issue is especially problematic in cold weather or polluted environments, where the nose is more prone to dryness, congestion, or prolonged runny nose symptoms. By incorporating nasal cleaning into your routine, you can ensure better respiratory function, reduce the risk of infections, and breathe more comfortably every day. Cleaning your nose correctly makes breathing easier and strengthens the respiratory system's defense mechanisms. The simplest and safest way to keep your nose clean is by using a saline solution, which effectively removes dirt and bacteria and reduces the risk of infections. You can use saline sprays or drops daily to gently cleanse the nasal passages without irritating them. Another great method is steam inhalation, especially when experiencing nasal congestion due to cold or allergies. Warm steam helps soften mucus, allowing the body to naturally expel dust and irritants, making breathing much easier. A nasal irrigation device, such as a specialized nasal rinse bottle or neti pot, can be highly effective for a deeper cleanse. This technique helps flush out excess mucus and improves overall nasal health and breathing quality. However, if you choose this method, ensure you use a sterilized saline solution and follow proper techniques to avoid irritation or infection. So, if nasal hygiene isn't yet part of your routine, start today. A few minutes a day can help your respiratory system function more efficiently, reduce the risk of infections, and leave you feeling refreshed and comfortable every time you breathe. The human body is a sophisticated system, where each part has a unique function but is interconnected to maintain overall health. One of the simplest, yet most effective ways to safeguard your well-being is by practicing proper personal hygiene. Not only does it keep you feeling fresh and comfortable, but daily hygiene also serves as a natural defense barrier, preventing the invasion of bacteria, viruses, and other harmful environmental agents. Many people focus solely on bathing, washing their face, or brushing their teeth, often neglecting other equally important body parts. For example, cleaning your tongue daily removes odor-causing bacteria and reduces the risk of gum disease and cavities. Similarly, underarm hygiene helps control sweat and body odor, while preventing bacterial buildup, folliculitis, and clogged sweat glands. Additionally, washing your feet thoroughly is crucial, yet often overlooked. Since feet are in direct contact with the ground, they easily accumulate dirt, bacteria, and fungi. Without regular cleaning, feet can become a breeding ground for infections, leading to conditions such as athlete's foot, foot odor, and even bacterial infections. Likewise, the nose plays a vital role in respiratory health by filtering out dust and bacteria before air reaches the lungs. Using saline solution to cleanse the nasal passages helps remove accumulated debris, reducing the risk of sinus infections, allergic rhinitis, and respiratory diseases. By taking a holistic approach to personal hygiene, you maintain cleanliness and actively protect your body from infections and long-term health issues. A few small daily habits can significantly impact your overall well-being, immunity, and quality of life. These seemingly small habits have a huge impact on overall health. When your body is properly cared for, you don't just avoid infections, skin issues, or bad breath. You also feel more confident and comfortable in your daily life. Maintaining a consistent and effective hygiene routine enhances your quality of life and supports long-term well-being, ensuring your body stays in its best condition. Remember, good health isn't achieved through drastic changes overnight, but rather through small, consistent habits. Just like brushing your teeth every morning and night for oral hygiene, taking care of other body parts daily is crucial for long-term wellness. When you dedicate just a few minutes a day to personal care, you're protecting yourself and benefiting those around you. A healthy body gives you more energy, reduces the risk of illness, and allows you to fully enjoy life. So don't wait until your body sends warning signs before prioritizing your health. Start incorporating these hygiene habits into your daily routine today. A clean, well-maintained body leads to greater confidence, more energy, and the ability to live your life to the fullest.